Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your free chart of the day for Thursday, October the 17th. Want to take a look at Canopy Growth? This is ticker CGC. Now, Canopy Growth has been in a significant downtrend for quite some time, since May. It's just been a hard trade unless you're trading the short side. Reason I want to look at it today is because today, if I zoom in here, we just squeaked above this daily 8 exponential period moving average and did it on higher than average volume. You know, last night there was news about Kronos Group. Kronos Group having a big gap up this morning and then a flush to the downside. And look at this selling volume, just yikes. But Canopy Growth, closed green on the day. And a lot of PotStocks actually closed pretty green on the day. So it could be that perhaps as Canada's cannabis legalization 2.0 kicks into gear, that potentially we have some short covering in the space. Now, obviously, when you're in a chart that is in a significant downtrend, there's a lot of bag holders in this chart. There's a lot of pain in this chart. And if you think about it, everybody that bought in this red box is losing money right now. Everybody that bought in this red box is underwater. And so there aren't many winners in this stock. And so when it comes to trades like this, I like to do just short-term swing trades. So that's kind of what I'm looking at here for Canopy Growth. The last time we closed above the daily 8 exponential period moving average and did it on higher than average volume, we got a little bit of swing to the upside. So that's kind of what I'm looking at here for Canopy Growth. If I break it down to a 30-minute chart, you can see it's kind of putting in higher lows on a short-term time frame here. And we're getting these nice big bursts of volume at the beginning of the days and, today at the end of the day. Now you can say, well, what about extended hours? Yeah, if I turn on extended hours, gross. But, I still think that there could be a little bit of short covering on this stock. And so what I'm looking for here on Canopy Growth is just a break above, let's say a break above $21. I think if we get a break above $21 and it comes on decent volume, we could see a nice little swing up to here around $22.50. And if it continues, that could give us a target of around $25. So those are two targets for a possible swing trade on Canopy Growth that I see right now. And again, we're looking for the stock to really break above today's intraday high and do it on higher than average volume. And we need that volume to soak up all of the supply that is, obviously in this chart based on the amount of pain and the amount of downside that this stock has been showing the last couple of months here. So there's a quick little swing trade idea for you. If you like this and if you want more, be sure and check out StockMarketMentor.com and sign up for Dan Fitzpatrick's free stock chart of the day. And while you're at it, give me a follow on Twitter at Scott Trades. Have a great night.